Respected Sir, I, Divyanshu Prakash of class 9th SA, having roll number 14 in session 2021 to 2022. Today I am here to demonstrate you chapter number 14, Statistic. So, without any delay, let's begin. Statistic. Statistic is branch of mathematics which deals with collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. Data. What is data? The word data means information or set of given fact in numerical figure. For example, number of students present in your class. Types of data: primary data and secondary data. Primary data. Primary data is a type of data that is collected by researchers directly from main source through interviews, surveys, etc. Primary data is also known as first-hand data. Secondary data. Secondary data is the data collected by any third party for a different purpose other than the user. Secondary data is also known as second-hand data. Presentation of data. After collecting data, it is important to present it in a very meaningful manner. Raw data, which comes under ungrouped data. If there is no change in the data and it is in the same form, then it will be raw data. Grouped data. We may condense data into classes or groups. Such presentation is known as grouped data. Frequency of an data. The number of times an observation occurs is called its frequency. Types of frequency distribution. First, exclusive form. A frequency distribution in which each upper limit of each class is excluded and lower limit is included is called an exclusive form. Thus, we have considered the classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. In class 0 to 10, we exclude 10. In class 10 to 20, we include 10 and exclude 20. Second, inclusive form. A frequency distribution in which each upper limit as well as lower limit is included is called inclusive form. Thus, we have classes of the form 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, etc. In both 0 to 10, are included. Class interval. Each group into which the raw data is condensed is called a class interval. Each class is bounded by two figures which are called class limits. The figure on the left side of a class is called its lower limit and that on the right side is called its upper limit. Class size. The differences between the true upper limit and the true lower limit of a class is called its class size. Formula for class mark is equals to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Range. The differences between the maximum value and the minimum value of the observation is called range. Bar graph. In a bar graph, bars of uniform width are drawn with various height. The height of a bar represents frequency of corresponding observation, as you can see on the picture. A histogram. Histogram is the graphical representation of a frequency distribution in exclusive form in the form of rectangle with class intervals as bases and corresponding frequencies as heights, there being no gap between any two successive rectangles, as you can see on the picture. Frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a line graph of class frequency plotted against class midpoint. It can be obtained by joining the midpoint of the top of the rectangle in the histogram. Mean. The average of given set of number is called mean of the number. Formula for mean is equals to sum of all observation divided by number of observation. The sigma symbol is used to represent the sum of an infinite number of terms that follow a pattern. Median. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the value of the middlemost observation is called median of the data. Method for finding median. Arrange the data in an increasing or decreasing order of magnitude and let the total number of observation be n. First, if n is equals to odd, then median will be value of 1 n plus 1 by 2 observation. Second, if n is even, then median is equals to mean of n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Mode. It is the most frequently occurring observation. Thank you for watching this video.